everyone and welcome to Jack and Cat Adventures. Today we're going to be making pound cake. It's really simple. You just have to think ahead because you need all of your ingredients at room temperature, okay? So you're going to preheat your oven to 350. You're going to grease and flour a loaf pan or a bundt pan. I'm doing loaf because it's just so much easier to grease. I use Crisco and flour on all my cakes. I don't use the spray. I think the spray makes the bottom of the cake oily, okay? But you do whatever you want to do. So in this bowl, you're going to put 1 2/3 cup of sugar and 1 cup of butter, and we're going to mix it until it's light and fluffy. Now remember, when I say light and fluffy, I mean it's going to turn white. You don't want to skip on this part on a pound cake. This is very important. Alright, once it's nice and fluffy, you're going to add 5 room temperature eggs. And make sure you put them in a bowl when you break them instead of breaking them into your mixture, because if you have one bad one, you're going to waste all this butter and sugar, okay? We're just going to mix this until it's combined, well combined. Alright, once this is well combined, if your eggs or your butter is not warm enough, even though I left mine out overnight, our house was a little bit cold, what I did was once I started mixing in the butter and got it mixed, if it still looks like chunks, put your metal bowl in your preheated oven for less than 10 seconds. Pull it out and mix it, and your butter will incorporate, okay? Now we're going to add 2 cups of flour, and we're just going to fold it until it's combined in, until it's evenly mixed in. And remember, bottom to top. You don't want to stir it because then you're going to get rid of all your air that's in there.
Sorry about the background noise. We can't do anything about the thunder.
Alright, once you have your flour folded in nicely, put it into your prepared dish. It's thick, don't worry.
It's pound cake. It's supposed to be.
Okay, just keep filling it up. Now, if you're going to do this in a bundt, I probably would do it in a no bigger than a 10-inch. I think this will fill a 10-inch pretty well. Okay, now I'm going to take my offset spatula.
Hold it right out of her holster. I've never actually seen the holster for that, but she's got to have one.
Okay. And now we're just going to spread this out evenly. You can probably do this with the back of a spoon if need be.
No, you must use an offset spatula.
They're so cheap. It's worth getting them. I use them for everything, as you guys all know. Okay, I'm just trying to get it into the corner a little bit. Now you're going to put this in your oven for 45 minutes or until it's golden brown and a cake tester in the middle comes out clean. Alright, so once it comes out of the oven, mine took like an hour and a half, so I don't think 45 minutes was the right time. It's a very dense cake, so what I did was instead of using a toothpick in the middle, I just used a butter knife and went in and pulled out until it came out clean. Now, once you take it out, gently go around the sides with the butter knife just to kind of loosen it while it's warm, and then you're going to let this cool on a wire rack for 30 minutes before we take it out of the pan. Alright, so after the 30 minutes, mine popped right out of the pan, and here's what it looks like. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you do you.